Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get normal TV channels on your Samsung Smart TV step by step in a simple and clear way. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect an antenna. First, plug a digital or indoor antenna into the RF input on the back of your Samsung Smart TV. Step 2. Open the Home menu. Press the Home button on your Samsung remote. This will open the Smart Hub main menu. Step 3. Go to the Source menu. Use the arrow keys on your remote to navigate to Source and select it. Then choose TV as the input source. Step 4. Start Auto Program. Go to Settings, then Broadcasting, and select Auto Program. If the broadcasting option is grayed out, make sure your TV is set to TV mode instead of HDMI or any other input. Step 5. Select Signal Type. Now choose the signal type. Select Air if you're using an antenna. Select Cable if you have a cable connection. Or choose both if you want to scan all available channels. Step 6. Scan for channels. Press Start to begin scanning. Your TV will now search for all available over-the-air channels. This process may take a few minutes, so just wait until it finishes. Step 7. Browse and watch channels. Once the scan is complete, you can start watching. Use the channel up and down buttons on your remote to browse channels. And anytime you want to access them again, just select TV as the input source. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you want more easy Samsung TV tutorials.